The A340-600 is equipped with Rolls-Royce Trent 500 engines. These engines comprise a low-pressure LP compressor stage, an intermediate pressure compressor stage, a high-pressure HP compressor stage, a combustion chamber, a turbine stage. The low-speed rotor N1 consists of a front fan connected to a low-pressure turbine. The intermediate speed rotor N2 consists of an intermediate pressure compressor connected to an intermediate turbine. The high-speed rotor N3 consists of a high-pressure compressor connected to a high-pressure turbine. The combustion chamber is equipped with two igniters, called A and B. The accessory gearbox is located at the bottom of the fan case and is driven by the high-speed rotor. Each engine is equipped with a full authority digital engine control system, FADEC, which provides complete engine management. Each FADEC has two identical and independent channels, A and B. The A340-600 Rolls-Royce engines are equipped with hydraulically actuated reversers. The green hydraulic circuit supplies reversers 1 and 4. The blue hydraulic circuit supplies reverser 2, and the yellow hydraulic circuit supplies reverser 3. Those reversers are translating cowls which deploy backwards and reverse the fan air stream. Note, the A340-600 engine 1 and 4 reversers are fitted with an interlock system similar to the one fitted on the A340-300. Let's look at the engine's primary parameters. On the top of the engine warning display, the EPR rating limit value has replaced the N1 rating limit value. On the top right-hand side of the engine warning display, an indication has been added, the bleed configuration. One or more of pack, nacelle anti-ice, wing anti-ice green indications are displayed to inform the pilot whether air conditioning, nacelle anti-ice or wing anti-ice have been selected. This indication is displayed on ground if the thrust limit mode, toga or flex has been selected, or in flight during takeoff phase. The next indications are the engine pressure ratio, EPR, for each of the four engines. For Rolls-Royce engines, the normal thrust control is performed through the EPR. 1 indicates the actual EPR. The value is also displayed digitally. 2 represents the EPR requested by the FADEC. 3 indicates the transient EPR, difference between the requested EPR and the actual EPR. The blue circle, EPR TLA, represents the EPR corresponding to the thrust lever position. The thick amber limit represents the maximum EPR, which corresponds to the toga thrust position. The grey area indicates the EPR operating range, between idle EPR to toga EPR. During the flight, the minimum grey sector value will vary according to the flight conditions. Then, the other indications are N1 value only displayed digitally. It becomes red if N1 exceeds the limit value. EGT indication, similar to the A340-300 one. N3 digital value. Fuel flow indication as for the A340-300. On the system display, the two differences between the A340-300 and the A340-600 are the addition of the N2 indication, which has been moved from the engine warning display, the addition of the N3 vibration indication. Concerning the engine controls, there is an additional panel for the A340-600, the N1 mode panel. It allows pilots to revert to the N1 mode if an engine EPR is lost. This will be studied in the abnormal module.